Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to add a link to your Instagram bio so that your followers can easily visit your website, YouTube channel, online store, or any other page you want to share. So, let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your phone. Next, tap on your profile picture in the bottom right corner to open your profile page. Once you're on your profile, tap on Edit Profile. Here, you'll see options to update your profile information, including your name, bio, and other details. To add a clickable link, look for the Add Links option and tap on it. In the URL field, enter or paste the website link that you want to add to your Instagram profile. After that, enter a title for the link. This is the name that people will see on your profile. For example, if you're adding a YouTube channel, you can enter YouTube channel as the title. Once you've filled in the details, tap Done in the top right corner. Your link will now be added to your Instagram profile. You can repeat the same process to add multiple links if needed. Now go back to your profile page and you'll see the link displayed below your bio. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more practical tips. Thanks for watching.